So we're going to just jump right into things today. It's Sunday. I have quite a few things to get done today. So I'm going to start the day with laundry to get that going. So before I get too far into things, I like to sit down with my planner. I use the Passionate Penny Pincher, and she has a morning routine, an afternoon routine, and then like a task to do every day. So I know Wednesdays it's bathrooms, Thursdays I change my sheets, and just things like that. So there were several things that I didn't get to during the week. And I go through, and that way I can check the box. Even though it's not on the day that it's scheduled, I still get to check my box that I got all my tasks done. Okay, so I have a plan. There are quite a few things that I did not get done this week. I didn't get to the bathrooms, I didn't clean the microwave and the stovetop, and I didn't vacuum and mop. I usually vacuum twice a week, on Tuesdays and Fridays. So I did get to vacuum on Tuesday. I didn't do Friday, so I need to vacuum and mop. I always mop on Friday. That's the plan. It doesn't always happen. Usually when I get everything done in the planner, then Sunday is great and I can go play. Just a few things to do here and there, but I do have quite a bit to do. And some of it is a little bit time consuming, so hopefully I can get everything done so I can go play a little bit, but that's okay. I need to get everything set up for success for next week. So the next thing I do is make my bed and get that all set up. The room always feels cleaner when the bed is made. And my dog is a chewer, so as you can see I have holes in my quilt. I use this quilt every night. My husband has his own sheet. We can't share. I have to have my own blanket. He has to have his own sheet. But I use this one every night, and then I just cover it up with my nicer one. Because if I leave my nicer one at night, that's usually when she likes to chew. So I don't want her to put holes in the nice bedspread. I know what we do for our dogs. I love my dog, so do what I gotta do. And I think my least favorite chore to do is cleaning the toilets. So like I said, one of the chores that I missed this week was cleaning the bathroom. So my husband's side is usually so much better than mine. I have so much more stuff, and as you can see, I need to declutter. If you can see that cabinet under my sink, it's messy. Can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. And I hate doing it, but it's gotta get done, so here we are. It's gonna take some time to get there. So I started this video off running, and I didn't take the time to introduce myself and say hello. My name is Norma, and I like to make videos here on YouTube about cooking, cleaning, decorating, and sometimes a DIY here and there. But if you like this type of content, please feel free to like and subscribe. I would love for you to join my YouTube family, and I would love to get to know you better. And I'm done with the bathrooms, so I can check off that box in my planner. That task is done.
With your hand on your heart, please tell me which way to go, 'cause I sure don't know. One piece in hand is a start, but it's a mighty puzzle to lay. No need to say, how will I cope?
My living room and dining room were not too bad, so that goes pretty fast.
Your sleeve, it's a fine line between letting go and losing control. So I take my love and hide it.
So leave me a comment below if you have any schedules or routines that you follow. That Passionate Penny Pincher Planner really kind of keeps me on track. I mean, I know that there was a time when I was kind of in a slump and I really didn't want to do anything, and then the house got kind of bad where I didn't even know where to start. So I just pulled out my planner, and on that week when I started, I just did the morning routine and did the evening routine, and that kind of seemed like all that I could do. But then as I got into it, it felt easier. Like things got cleaner, things got easier, and it kind of helped me get back on track. So then once I was able to do the morning routine, the evening routine, then I started doing the weekly routines, and then from there I started decluttering, and now I can really see a difference in my house. I really am thankful for that Passionate Penny Pincher Planner. That's hard to say.
To see what's real, to finally heal. How will I cope without you?
So I made us a quick breakfast in the morning, and I was just cleaning up the kitchen afterwards. And my son hadn't woken up, so I saved his portion of breakfast so he could eat it when he was finally awake.
Without your word, how will I cope? Without your heartbeat, how will I cope alone? Without your love, how will I With your hand on your heart, oh please tell me, will I cope? I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations, oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold.
So now that the kitchen is clean, I wanted to work on the next task, which was the microwave and the stovetop.
'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up 'cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors.
And you can't really see on camera, but my stove had gotten pretty dirty. I skipped this task last week, so it was actually 2 weeks worth, but it still cleans up easier, much easier than if I left it for 6 months.
Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
And I just love this little tool. It's this it's a little holder for a razor blade, and those little last things that just won't come up, just scrape them off. They scrape right off.
Thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by your side. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
And my last task is the vacuuming and the mopping. And I vacuum and vacuum and vacuum some more. Why does the house feel so big when it's time to do the sweeping or vacuuming and mopping?
Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
And that was the last task. Everything is done. I'm all caught back up and everything is clean and reset for the week. Everything except for the laundry, but I usually like to save that for the evening because I have people that I follow on YouTube that I like to watch while I'm folding clothes. Have a great week, everyone.